Darkstar, you are cleared above 600. Increase to Mach 3.5.
Cleared above 600. Increase to Mach 3.5.
Is that Mach 7, pushing 8?
Flight data?
See, data's good.
Temperature's climbing. Response is still stable. We're feeling good.
Mach 8.8, 8.9, Mach 9.
He's the fastest man alive.
Mach 9.3. Approaching high hypersonic.
Come on, sweetheart. Just a little more. Just a little. Come on!
Mach 10! Put that in your Pentagon budget. Sir.
A little push. Oh, shit.